Hello, I'm Diana Jacka, and this is your community events calendar, your quick look at upcoming events happening across South Carolina. Let's get started in the Midlands. SC Works is offering free August job search workshops in Edgefield. On August 24th, attend the Networking How and Why workshop at Piedmont Technical College to learn why networking is an essential part of your job search. Then, on August 25th, improve your interviewing skills during the interviewing workshop at the main library. Visit SC Works online to learn more. Next, in the Lowcountry, the South Carolina Hospital Association's Community Health Fair takes place on August 22nd in Charleston. This free event features health screenings, back-to-school supplies, family activities, wellness resources, and more. Visit sharinghopesc.org for more information. Now in the Upstate. The South Carolina Department on Aging is hosting a senior prep event on August 18th at the Abbeville County Library. This free event helps seniors, caregivers, and individuals with disabilities prepare for emergencies through valuable resources, expert information, and free emergency kits. Learn more at aging.sc.gov. Also in the Upstate, the Disability Resource Expo will be held on August 23rd at the Greenville Convention Center. Hosted by Bridge, this event connects individuals with disabilities, families, caregivers, and educators with valuable resources, services, and community organizations. Learn more at bridgesc.org. Finally, in the PD, the Good Ground Exchange takes place on August 18th in Florence. This networking event brings together chefs, farmers, and food entrepreneurs to celebrate local agriculture, build connections, and recognize outstanding growers and chefs who support the region's local food community. To learn more or register, follow SC Food Systems Network on social media. To receive a weekly list of events directly to your inbox, subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching.